Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to collect gift coins on Lazada. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to collect gift coins on Lazada. Maybe because you want to collect the gift coins so that you could get any offers or any discounts on the product, or maybe you could use these gift coins to purchase any product of your choice. Or maybe you have heard a lot about the gift coins, so you just want to give it a try. Or there could be any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can collect or maybe aware gift coins on Lazada. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Lazada app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Lazada app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options almost all over the screen and different products on the screen that you could purchase, and we have few other options at the bottom of the page as well. So from all these options, you just have to simply go for this one option, which is account. Once you tap onto that option, you will get into your account. Once you get here, you will see different options like your name and other stuff. So from all these options, you have to collect coins, which are gift coins. So coins can be collected through multiple ways. Some of the coins are available in the products and some of them are available for daily purpose. So once you get here, you will see this option. Once you tap on it, you will get here. Now at the top, it will show you that you can get coins on daily basis, which are the gift coins. So if you want to collect them or want to avail them, you just have to simply click onto this option. Once you tap on it, you will get coins for it. And now if you want more coins, you just have to look for different options. Sometimes there are promotions or different things, and with the help of these options you can get free gift points or gift coins that you can use on later. So here, once you click on it, here we have other options which says collect eggs, and these eggs will are also like gift coins that you can use. So that's how you can collect multiple gift coins on this Lazada app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can avail or collect different gift coins on Lazada app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And at the last, thank you so much for watching the video.